Alright guys, so we are in Walmart and we found the Mainstay 2-in-1 air cooler. Take a look at that.
This is nice, you guys.
This is super nice. So this has 7 color LED light options. And if you look on the side here, see the different colors that it can change to.
So it lights up, you guys. Look at that. It lights up.
Yeah, it has a removable washer filter or air filter that you can wash.
Alright.
And it's a 2-in-1. What's the two? Oh, so it has 3 speeds of the fan mode. That's
Okay.
pretty cool.
So you choose from 3 speeds, and it also has an AC plug-in, you guys.
Yeah, so this is the one thing that I could tell you can have one of. And
I can have one?
you can have one.
Can I pick my color? Because you guys, not only did we find black, but we also found a white one.
We did. So we found a black and a white one. Which one do you want?
I want both. And look at this, you guys. Look how cute this is. So I'll probably get one to put on my desk. We have patio furniture now, so we can put one outside. And the cool thing about this is that it does light up. It has LED lights. And let me show you the UPC. So here is the UPC right here. And again, this is for the black one. And look at this, you guys. It went from $28.84 down to $15. They had quite a few back here or in the clearance aisle. So we're just going to get a few right now to see how they go. And we'll probably wait until they go down all the way. All right, so you ready to show them the white? All right, we're going to go ahead and show you the white now. All right, look at that. Here is the white one. So we actually got 2 black and 2 white. Again, 2-in-1 air cooler. It has 3 speeds. There you guys go. This one was also $28.84 down to $15. And here is the UPC for the white. So if you guys find any other colors other than white and black, let us know. All right, and here are the lights for the white one. And it also has a 1-year warranty. So I believe the black one does too. Good luck.
All right, so this is the Lasco and it's the X blower. And I'm definitely going to keep one of these. So this is a...
What is it?
It's like a fan. You know the fans, like when the carpet gets wet and they got to bring those big fans in to dry the floor.
Oh, when you do like carpet cleaning?
Carpet cleaning.
Oh, that's nice.
It's like a small version of it.
So that's strong.
Super strong, yeah.
Okay, so here's the name, you guys. It does say blower. And it does say 6-position utility power fan. Oh, not a power fan, blower fan, sorry. And it has electronic controls. All right. So, you know what? When you're working in the garage pulling items, you can put this in the garage and you can be nice and cool because the garage does get hot.
And it's small, so it's portable, so that's a good thing.
This is what you guys need to look out for. It's the blue and black.
All right, so this is a high velocity, has airstream for cooling, ventilating, exhausting, and for drying. So I'm keeping one for sure.
Yeah, this is nice, you guys. It has 2 USB ports plus. Look at that. All right, and Manny's gonna go ahead and turn it to the side so I can show you. That's what it looks like. All right, here's on the floor. Look like she's painting. Oh, this can dry the walls when you paint and mop. That's cool. All right, let's show them the UPC. I think it was, here we go. There's the UPC, you guys. All right, now to the best part. I'm gonna show you guys the price. All right, it went from about $50, regular price $49.84, down to $25. They had a bunch back there, but I think we're only gonna grab one for now, and hopefully they'll go down to $10.
So for all of you out there, if you wanna watch this with us, all the resellers out there, go.
But again, we're gonna purchase one at $25, and hopefully by next week they're down to 10 or maybe 5, or if we're lucky, because we're Angel on the Go, it might go down to $1.50.
You're dreaming.
I'm dreaming. All right, you guys, up next, look what we found. Boom, boom, and boom. We actually found these in the clearance. This is the Nickelodeon Paw Patrol Basketball Set. That's what it looks like. So I think you might hang this on the back of the door, right?
On the wall. This is not only a door one. You can put it like on the wall, wherever. I think it's just a nail thing.
Okay, so Manny said you could put it in the back of the door or the wall. It includes a net, ball, hoop, and door hanger. Oh, door hanger. All right, so there you guys go. There's the ball. Here's the basketball. Here's the print. This is super cute, you guys. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. Here's what it looks like. All right, so you attach the net to the hoop, insert the hanger, hang hoop over the door. You fold the net down, and then you play ball. And if I hang this on my door, I'm gonna be whooping up on Manny because I'm the best basketball player ever. All right, back to this.
You're dreaming again.
All right, so let me turn it around. All right, you guys, here's the UPC. And again, this is for the Paw Patrol Basketball Set. And look at this, you guys. Boom. Boom. $2.50. You cannot beat that. Look at that. 2 for $5. 2 for $5. If you guys are resellers, don't forget, we got the holidays coming up. So if you guys purchase these for $2.50 and hold on to them, hopefully around, what is it called? My mind went blank.
Fourth quarter?
Yeah, fourth quarter. For Amazon or even eBay, you guys can sell these, make a profit, because that's what we're going to do. We actually got a total of 10. All right, you guys, up next, we found this. And I'm definitely getting this. This is one of my favorite movies. This is a Ghostbusters glow-in-the-dark silky soft throw. Here you guys go. It's a 40 by 50 inch. And look at this. You guys, this blanket glows. It glows at night. How does a blanket glow? I've never seen a blanket glow. This is what it looks like, you guys. So it has like the Ghostbusters symbol on it. It has the card. And it says cuddly and soft. Look at this, you guys. This is super soft. Super soft. Here's the UPC. All right, and let me show you how much this one is. Look at that. Only $5. $5. We actually found a total of 2. So it's going to be 2 for $10. I think the regular price is like $9.96. So it's about a little, 50% off? Yeah, about 50. But you guys, we are going to save these for the holidays. And hopefully we are going to sell these. And you guys, here's a little peek on how many of the Paw Patrol basketball sets that we got. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to purchase these now for only $2.50 each. And we're going to go ahead and do our inventory, hold off on these until the holidays, and hopefully we can make our money back times 5 or 6. Good luck.